Now.
This is V. And the new phone book is here. The new phone. We ordered a couple things from the folks at Big Kid Blocks. I kind of wanted to share this little unpacking. We had an issue with this block. It's actually quite crooked, and we sent the pictures of it up against a straight edge, and we showed one block that it's like a shop favorite, and it got dropped twice and broke, and we fixed it, and they're like, oh yeah, no problem, we'll handle that. So now with that said, they replaced the block that was crooked and the one that broke. I did not ask for that. I was very pleased with the block, and so far as we ordered 2 more of these also, which are right there. Those are the new ones that we ordered. So the folks over at Big Kid Blocks were really quick to replace the one that was crooked for us, and then sent us out a shiny new block to replace the one that chipped.
They left a note.
And they left a note.
Another sticker.
Another sticker. So this is V, who's using these blocks most of the time, and it got into an argument over those 2 style blocks in the shop between the 2 that are doing the.
We got a promo code.
Oh, yeah, we get a promo code. So I just wanted to share, and V was excited to open the box, because who isn't? But they fixed us up with one that was just not usable. It happens. And then the one that we chipped and broke, I panel bonded the one that we broke back together, and it works just fine. So, I mean, I want to show off what we got. I couldn't be happier with working with these folks. What do you think, V? Will that make arguing over blocks a little easier?
Yeah, I'm excited for these ones because.
Are those longer than the other?
Yeah,
are those longer than the other ones we've got?
I think so.
Nice. So that's it. That's all we got. I just want to show this off, kind of unboxing of. They got here a lot quicker than anticipated too. They're supposed to show up tomorrow, which is good because we won't be here tomorrow. So that's it. I just wanted to show this. Yell at the folks over at Big Kid Blocks. I know the one name I know is Charlie in customer service. They're all over, and I really appreciate these guys. I like their products. I've been really happy.